I previously described how to create a signed application package for distribution through app stores. The Google Play Store, however, has introduced a newer format. An app bundle includes all of the application assets that you might need for any device. But when you upload it to the Play Store then breaks down the bundle and creates the individual APKs for various screen resolutions, Android versions, and so on. This results in smaller downloads for the end user, because each APK that's generated on Google Play only includes what's necessary for that user's device. The process of working with an app bundle is very similar to working with an APK. Select Generate Signed Bundle or APK, and this time choose Android App Bundle. Just as when you're generating an APK, you need a certificate file, a key store, and you can use exactly the same file. And also, you choose between debugging and releasing. When you click Finish, your bundle is generated. I'll go to the notification and click Locate, and there's my AAB file, and this is what you would upload to the Google Play Store. But notice in the notification that there's also something called an exported key file. This is a file with a file extension of PEPK. When you upload your app bundle for the first time to the Google Play Store, you can also upload this key file, and now the key is stored in the Play Store. If for any reason you were to lose your JKS file down the road, this private key file is critical for the Google Play Store to be able to generate multiple APKs for various screen resolutions, Android versions, and so on. The actual process of uploading this is a part of distributing your apps. The rest of the process of distributing your apps through the Google Play Store with app bundles is described in another course, all about distributing Android apps.